So yeah, this one was at the bottom of the box. It came in with the vases, and I thought I had more. I was right all along. But you can see the pyrite replacement there. I don't know how to describe this. I'm not sure. I know it's a lower quality replacement, but is that pyrite? The gloss there? It's hard to tell. I'm trying to check this side for pyrite now too. There's some right there. I don't know. See, some of that does look like pyrite. So I don't know. It's an interesting little thing. But today's not the best of them, but it's certainly a very interesting piece. I like this guy. These feel so good. I like the, you can hear the texture in that.